'tis the season to give. And we want to help give to you, to the community, and to others. But we need your help. By giving to our tip jar, you are helping support our channel, and by giving to our donation jar, you are helping in efforts to give back to others in need. But every little donation adds up. So give. And you shall receive. When you give, you're helping people in need. Giving lifts the spirits of everyone's heart. Giving is something that we shall all do, because when you give, it's given back to you through blessings and abundant help a person through when we give. I connect with you, you connect with me, one connects with two, two connects with three, and then another, and then another, and then we all connect as one. When we've made someone else happy, we know our job is done, and we all became connected and as one heart when we give. Thanks to Webtalk Wish donors.